The world lives in despair. We see our nature up in flares, where the clouds of darkness beseech the orange skies, with whirling cyclones leaving us destitute as a prize. A fire that engulfed 1 million hectares left it bare, with billions of native species now living in stories to share.
Generation has particularly woken up the rest of the world to the emergency, to the importance of addressing climate change, and that is because it's their future which matters.
Hear the voices heralding for climate action today on the street. Come from the youngest, not the brilliant minds facing the heat. They are charging forward to the beats of collective action, seeking justice for the planet with help of a fraction, with hope for catalytic reaction.
Supportive of educating the children on these very important issues, but I think it's infinitely more important to educate the adults.
Absolutely.
Because by the time these children are in positions of power, this game is going to be over.
When devastation and distraught is all that we got, it is time that we change the whole plot, through our actions and through our thought.
And the generation who are calling us to take action, we cannot ignore. We need to respond.
Presenting the very first Pan-India Model United Nations, which is focused on the Sustainable Development Goals. It is a unique program run by the students to unite with their peers across the country, as an environmentally conscious and socially responsible citizen of Mother Earth.
Activists and students and young people, and I would put people in boxes expecting different kinds of behavior from different sets of people. That may be useful when you are trying to spur people into action. But at a very simple level, what we need to do is look at our own individual footprint.
Designed to promote the ideals of the UN, India MUN provides a platform for students to learn about various global issues, such as environment, health, education, and gender equality, and craft solutions through discussion, negotiation, and debate.
It is the youth like me and you who will lead this world into a sustainable